Hey guys, this is Japan Master channel. Today's video is cooking Japanese food series again. Recently, I went to Takopa. Takopa is a takoyaki party. We often use a shorter word. I will show you how to cook the takoyaki. Takoyaki of the taco means octopus, and yaki means usually cooking on the iron plate. Most difficult part of cooking takoyaki is making a beautiful round shape. And to make a nice round shape, I often poke the cooking dough, whether the dough cook enough or not. For the topping, we use a variety of ingredients like okonomiyaki. Okonomiyaki is a Japanese pancake, but not sweet one. Put takoyaki flour on the bowl. Put kezuriko. Kezuriko is a greenings of powder which is left over after dried fishes, such as dried bonito, dried blue mackerel, and dried sardines. Then put some raw eggs on the bowl. Lastly, mix with water. Put some cooking oil on the takoyaki iron plate nicely. Then pour the liquid that made earlier on the each hole. Add some cut octopus each hole. Add some red gingers. Then add tenkasu. Tenkasu is a small piece of deep fried dough produced during cooking tempura. And if you want, you can add some green onions as well. Once dough cooked enough, then turn over the dough the other side. Some of the takoyaki are overcooked because cooking oil is not enough. These are the classic ingredients of cooking takoyaki. Next, I will introduce unique ingredients for cooking takoyaki. Instead of octopus, put some sliced sausage. Add some cheese. Lastly, add some corns. Other ingredients that I suggest to use is octopus and kimchi. For the topping, you can put some takoyaki sauce. Then put some mayonnaise. Sprinkle some kezuriko, the dried fish powder. Then sprinkle aosa, the sea lettuce. Those are the classic topping. For the unique topping, you can put salt. You can also put some cream cheese. Lastly, I will introduce unique way of eating takoyaki. This is a ebi senbei, the shrimp rice cracker. On the top, put cooked takoyaki. Then put mayonnaise. Put takoyaki sauce. Sprinkle some tenkasu, the deep fried dough. Sprinkle kezuriko. Then sprinkle aosa. This is called taco senbei. You can also call it taco sen. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you like the content, please press like. And if you want to know more about Japan, please press subscribe button. And I'm gonna continue making the videos that about cooking Japanese food. I hope to see you soon. Bye.